Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Sea otter populations crashed from hundreds of thousands to just 1,000 due to hunting. Let's solve this biology mystery quickly and find the answer. Between 1750 and 1850, the massive sea otter population was hunted down to a tiny fraction of its original size. This event represents a sudden and drastic reduction in numbers. This sharp reduction in population size is a classic example of a genetic bottleneck. When a population shrinks so fast, the surviving individuals only carry a small portion of genes. A bottleneck typically results in a permanent loss of genetic diversity. This matches the description in option C. You nailed this biology question. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given and check steps for option C.